Yes, so my correct people. Edo State House of Assembly, Ego constituency to be precise. They are tired, though. They are tired of Natasha Igbenidion Osarowa Two-Face Idibia. Because what type of thing is this? What type of honorable that is not honoring like this? How can you be a honorable and your honoring is not honoring? Two-faced lover loses principal position as Edo Assembly. Osarowo was removed alongside Charity as majority leader. You understand? However, PDP still retain their position as the speaker and deputy respectively. You understand? See, when she was misbehaving, you people will not understand. When they tell her, auntie, sit one place, she said, no, she will not sit one place. She is more than this. Her father is the owner. Imagine you being the minority leader. A position. See, a position that you held dear to heart. If that position was meaningful to you, we don't think by now you would have been playing with that position. Because the position means nothing to you. You are the only one that know how you got the position. Yes, if you have sweat for you, blood, sweat, and water. My brothers and sisters, maybe you would have fought for it. You understand? Seeing God, Two-Face is, oh, they say Two-Face is crying. You understand? Two-Face is crying. Time that she will use and do National Assembly thing, she is using it and be walking up and down. Some people say na panel do this one. Oh. I was wondering why Annie has been all over Regina. Now I know. Like she's no longer in the parliament safe. It's good though. They only relieve her of stress so she can concentrate on two Baba because the only way to concern this one be this. All that thing won't they talk. It no even concern herself. It no concern her. Natasha. The way people are laughing here, rejoicing, you go know say Natasha golf big time. So my brothers and sisters, Natasha Two-Face Idibia, Two-Face Igbenidion, because it can't be like say the two of them don't exchange name. We never know what it can happen. But as it dey like this, this news, I never seen news where sweet Nigerians like this one. This particular one sweet us well. No be say she no longer the a member of parliament. Too. She is still the member of House of Representative. You understand? The thing be say they don't collect one of the power from her. It's good they only relieve her. You no understand now? See, may every of your decision be guided by the Holy Spirit. If not, now so you go they enter one position where you know. She messed up that position. She just spoiled opportunity for women and young generation in politics because I don't understand. Then give you some more position, you just come spoil them. She is sacked as a leader for those who don't understand, but she still remain members of the house and still legitimate. You understand? She still. I don't even understand. I don't know why these people always carry bad luck, wreck your reputation, your name, and eventually destroy the source of your income from process. How can you occupy a public position, a sensitive one at that, and you are also parading someone else's husband every market day before you finalize divorce? As a woman in leadership, is that how you champion women empowerment? By causing another woman pain? No one say you should snatch. You are a public servant. The people of Edo State put you in that position for serious service, not turning it into entertainment. To other Natasha distinguished senator, she is championing a good cause and you crazy because of Two-Face community gbola. My brothers and sisters. This one now they call if I know. You understand? Some women will just come your life, come spoil everything. No be small matter. Which kind karma come early be this? You understand? Yeah, she is still a leader, but that position where them come out go pay now where. Anytime you see her, so she go they wear Mary Amaka down, up and down. They waka woko. She know they stand straight as if breeze go blow her. I beg, Mona try carry stone wager. Mona try carry stone wager before we go hear say one day she wake up like this, breeze don't carry her, they go. Just because of gbola, community gbola. My brothers, my sister, on how the matter they go. Fear will no catch the person where the person name na Natasha. I say, ma, I can't let una know the cocoa. Una know how they do am now.